Hello, Aries. So this is what I have for you. What I'm seeing here is that someone could be in a relationship with someone who is dealing with a lot of insecurities, like a lack of inner strength. It could be one person or both people in this connection that is struggling with a lack of inner strength. Someone could be avoiding facing difficult emotions rather than taming them with kindness and gentleness, if that makes any sense. I'm getting this all from the Strength card and the blockage. And then I'm seeing that there could be a masculine in this connection right here with this King of Wands upright. This masculine could be dealing with or in a connection with someone who could be very emotionally immature, someone who is bitter, someone who is vindictive, someone who could be cold-hearted. I'm getting all of this from the Queen of Swords in reverse. She's all of those things. So I'm thinking that this masculine could have been connecting with this Queen of Swords. It could be that this relationship is definitely like lacking movement. It's like a stagnant type of connection, a dull type of connection. It's like a neglected relationship, lacking passion and adventure with this card. And then I move on to the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. This is telling me that someone's in a like a repetitive cycle of like bad luck or bad misfortune. This is like emotional setbacks, a need to learn from your past mistakes. This is struggling to change. This could also mean that something didn't go someone's way. It could be about this relationship not going someone's way. I think this Wheel of Fortune energy applies to this King of Wands. I believe that this connection for this King of Wands was a lesson from them to learn from. There's a lot of like insecurity here too, like inner insecurity. This isn't like external forces. It could be both or one person that's struggling with insecurities. And then at the bottom here, we have the Star card. Now, the Star card in your advice, it's basically letting you know that there's a need to rebuild hope and faith, because it could have been lost in this relationship. So you are encouraged to reconnect with your inner strength. Reconnect with your inner strength. And reconnect with clarity. Believe that things can get better. You want to reevaluate your priorities, heal past wounds with these two cards. And also try to balance like spirituality with practicality in your love life. So that's basically what I'm getting. I'm thinking that maybe this King of Wands may have lost hope and faith, like temporarily, due to this connection. This could be a cycle of bad luck. Someone needs to make smarter choices when it comes to relationships and who you choose to deal with. Because the Queen of Swords is, I would say she's not necessarily someone that you want to commit to. She's not someone you want to be friends with either. The Queen of Swords. So this reading is definitely for whoever is in this masculine energy. It could be a man, it could be a woman. But whoever's in this masculine energy, you are encouraged to get in touch with your inner strength, because that's what seems to have gotten lost for you in this connection. Get in touch with your inner strength. Put an end to these bad or misfortunate cycles in your life. You gotta face change. And in this case, I believe it's facing your emotions. Face your emotions, because the King of Wands, he's a natural leader. He's a visionary. He sees the big picture. He overcomes challenges. So this is the energy that you want to be in. What else do we have for you? We have the Seven of Wands upright. The Seven of Wands upright. This is someone who is feeling cornered. This is someone who might feel like no one has their back. This could also indicate someone's life falling apart. Very defensive energy right here. So this could be also the King of Wands in this relationship feeling like no one has their back. Feeling cornered in this relationship. This card also represents challenges. So we have some repeating energies here. And for the bottom of the deck to close out the message, we have the Ace of Cups upright. The Ace of Cups represents love, compassion, creativity, new feelings, spirituality, intuition, and even marriage. So I feel like once this King of Wands faces their fears and gets in touch with their inner emotions and finds some sort of balance between spirituality and practicality, I believe this is what this King of Wands could be attracting. A new opportunity in love. Something spiritual, again with the spirituality, something compassionate. This also indicates a new baby, marriage, proposals. Okay, so you got your advice, and if this made sense to you in any way, Aries, please like the video at the very least, or leave a comment letting me know that this made sense to you. I would love some feedback, and that's about it. Thank you, Aries. I love you.